our first shape. Which shape is it? Any guesses? It's a circle. Let's spell it out. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Here comes our second shape. Which shape is it? It's a square. It's a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Here comes the next shape. Which shape is it? It's a triangle. Triangle. It's a triangle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. You must be knowing him. Yes, it's a star shape. Yes, it's a star shape. S-T-A-R. Star. Star. Which shape is it? Yes, it's a heart shape. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Here comes. Oops, who is he? He is a red triangle. A red triangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Red triangle. So come, let's say together. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star,